Hello and welcome to the Next Level Interiors. I am so happy you are here today. In this video, we are going to explore beautiful luxury ceiling design for your bedroom and hall, using easy idea that you can adopt in your home. Whether you are redecorating or building new, this ceiling idea will help make your space feel elegant and warm. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe to the Next Level Interior so you never miss more design tips. First, let's talk about luxury ceiling design for the bedroom. The bedroom is your private place. It should feel calm, cozy and beautiful. One popular option is a false ceiling, also called a dropped or suspended ceiling. With a false ceiling, you can hide wire, duct or light and give your ceiling a cleaner look. You can choose material like POP, plaster of Paris, gypsum board or wooden panels. All are good and each give a different mood. POP is smooth and elegant, gypsum look modern and flat wood add warmth and texture. In the bedroom, you can also add curve lighting or LED strip light behind a frame on inside a recess of the false ceiling. At night, this makes your ceiling glow softly and gives a hotel style feel. Choose soft color like white, cream and beige or light grey for your ceiling so the room feel open and relaxing. If you like contrast, you might include a darker border or accent strip, but keep it subtle so it does not overpower the space. Another idea is a tray ceiling, that is where the center part is recessed and edged with a raised border. The recess can have lighting or a different color. This gives height and elegance. You could also use wood sled or wood beams in a part of the ceiling to bring natural textures, especially if your bedroom design is warm or rustic modern. Don't forget to coordinate the ceiling design with your walls, furniture and lighting so everything feels harmonious. Now, let's move to the hall or living room. The hall is often a larger space and where guests enter so the ceiling can make a strong impact. A multi-level false ceiling can look very luxury in the hall. You might have one large central panel surrounded by layered border or steps. The layer add depth and interest. In the central panel, you could have a decorate material grill, a pattern cutout or a backlight feature. A tray ceiling in the hall also work, sometimes even a coffered ceiling. Many sunken square or rectangles look stunning and classic. You can combine material, wooden panel, plaster details, decorative modeling, metal accent or even glass insert. Use spotlight or recessed LED light around the edge and a chandelier or pendant light in the center to draw ear upward. The ceiling color in the hall can be mostly natural, white, off-white, cream, but you may add a darker border or textured finish in the central zone. The contrast between flat part and raised or recessed part is the key to creating a luxury feel. As you design, keep in mind some important tips. First, scale matters. The design should suit the size of the room. In a small bedroom, avoid overly complex ceiling layers or deep recesses or they may feel heavy. In a large hall, you can go border. Second, lighting is your friend. Use indirect lighting, curve or hidden LED strip to wash surfaces gently. Use spotlight to highlight detail or art. Use a central light fixture as a focal point. Third, balance simplicity and beauty. A ceiling should enhance the room, not complete with fixture, furniture or decor. Fourth, use good material and proper installation so your ceiling lasts and look great for years. Let me share a few example idea you might imagine. Pictures is a bedroom, a simple rectangle false ceiling with a thin recess along the edge. In that recess, hide LED strip so the edge glow. The center remain plain white that give a clean luxury look. Or imagine a hall that outer border is recessed, the inner area dropped slightly with a patterned ceiling tile or wood insert and soft lighting from hidden strip. Another idea in the hall build a coffered ceiling with square recesses, each with one small recessed light. The border between coffer can have wood or metallic trim. Log out this idea. You should film or show visual of real example so viewer can see how it looks in actual homes. When you describe a style, show a photo or video clip of that style in a bedroom or hall from different angles and show close-up or lighting, materials, edge, corners. Use slow camera pans, zoom ins, before, after shoot to highlight change. Near the end of your video, you can say, "Thank you so much for watching the luxury ceiling design idea for bedroom and hall. I hope this idea inspire you to upgrade your own home. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the Next Level Interiors. Hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos. Write in the comment which ceiling design you like most and what room you want me cover next, bedroom, hall, kitchen or bathrooms. I love reading your idea and request. Finally, conclude with a friendly see you in the next video. Stay creative and take your interior to the next level. Thank you so much.